Hey Odoo enthusiasts, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about what are views in Odoo 18. In Odoo development, views defines how the data is being represented to the users in the UI. The views are written in XML files that determines the layout and the behavior of form view, list view, and Kanban view and other views in the UI. So there are different types of views available in Odoo. The first one is the form view that is basically used for creating a single record in a detail view. For example, we can say that it is used for creating or editing a record. List view, previously known as the tree view, and that is used for displaying multiple records in a tabular format. We can say that it is basically used for quick browsing and selecting the records. And the other view is a Kanban view, and this displays the record as a draggable card. We can say that it is basically used for the visualization of the workflow such as the sales pipeline and project task. And you could also find it in different Kanban views such as the contact form or in any other module also. The search view defines the filters and search options for the users. The graph view represents the data as a graph such as bar chart, pie chart, and line chart. The pivot view is used for visualizing the data in a spreadsheet-like manner, and the Gantt view is basically used for scheduling the task and project over a time. Calendar view represents a record based on date field. It can be meetings or any other deadline of a discussion. And we have the activity view that is used for managing the scheduled activity. It can be calls, meetings, or follow-ups. The map view. The map is basically used for displaying the records on the map. For example, it is used in the field surveys app to plan the itinerary between different tasks. Cohort view is basically used for checking the life cycle of a record over a time. For example, it is used in the subscription app to check the retention rate of a subscription. So these are the views available in Odoo, and if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And in next video, we will be talking about how to create different views in our custom module that is in College ERP. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video and we'll see you in next one.